Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan. And today we are going to change error message. The password you entered for this email address is incorrect. Lost your password in WooCommerce WordPress. And we are in my account login page. Before starting work, as per request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So when we enter password and user or email address and then click on login, then you see this message. So we are going to change it or edit it according to our requirement. Now go to WordPress dashboard. So we are in WordPress dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin we are using. WP code insert header and footer. So you will install this plugin and activate it. And after activation on left side you see code snippet. And then you see add snippet. So click on it. And then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. And then you see select the code type. Now select PHP snippet, so click on it. Now create custom snippet section open. And then you can add title. And then you see code per view. Now paste code and you'll find this code in video description or in comment section. And then you see custom message, strong error. And then you see the password you entered is incorrect. So we added additional text wrong. And then you see please try again or reset your password. So you can customize this section according to requirement. And then scroll down, you see insert method, auto insert location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. So we added additional text wrong only. So you can customize this section according to requirement. Now snippet created and saved. Go to my account page again. So we are in my account page and refresh the page. Continue. So we added username, password, and then you see additional text add wrong. Now you see incorrect or wrong. So you can customize this message in custom code. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.